Hello and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. We love hearing from you guys. We want to hear who we should draw next. Today we're going to draw wide receiver rookie Marvin Harrison Jr. of the Arizona Cardinals. Marvin Harrison Jr. is the son of Colts great Marvin Harrison. Selected 4th overall in the NFL draft. Played college football at Ohio State for the Buckeyes. Was a 2-time unanimous All-American, a Big Ten MVP, Big Ten Offensive Player of the Year, 2-time Big Ten Receiver of the Year, and won the Most Outstanding Receiver in College Football award. So let's get started. Marvin Harrison Jr. Find the center of your page up and down, center of the page across, and come up, and we're going to do the head right in this section up here. So we got our dark marker, pointed tip. We're going to do a large kind of U shape for the chin. So here we go. Go down, come down to the chin, and then we start to go up for this U shape. Okay. Now we're going to do an arch for the headband. Marvin Harrison always wears this headband to keep his hair out of his eyes. And then we'll go up and arch again and come down to a point to connect. All right. Let's do a couple of eyes. Now the eyes are going to be ovals, but they're going to be a little bit tilted. So watch this. We'll go up. Maybe he looks a little mad, but he's not, I promise. Alright, a couple of circles. We got a circle, 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 circle. And those stay white. Okay, and we're going to fill in around those circles. Those white areas are called highlights. Those are the reflections of the sun or the lights off of the character's eyes. And here we go. He's looking a little mean, so let's round out those eyes a little bit. Make them a little more round. Okay. We're going to come down the edge of this eye. We're going to make a dot. Come off the edge of this eye, we'll make a dot. That is the edge of the nose. So we'll go down. Kind of make a squiggly mark to connect. Let's do the eyebrows. We'll do an arch, another arch, we'll go up, up, and then connect to a point. And fill that eyebrow in, connect to a point, fill that eyebrow in on that side. Alrighty, so now let's do the lips. We're going to find the middle of the face, come down, and right below the nose, we'll make a dot. That'll be the middle of the lip. We'll go up, out. We'll go up and out. Kind of like a flying bird shape. And then we're going to make the middle of the lip come down and the bottom of the lip come up and connect. Like that. Cool. He has a little bit of a mustache that kind of outlines the top of his lip, so I'm just going to make it a little darker. And we'll do the neck here. Come down, down, come to a point in the middle, like a V shape. Bump out for the shoulder pad, bump out for the shoulder pad. Round it out to the armpit, round it out to the armpit, and come down to the waist. Straight across, come down to the waist. See how it's wide up here and a little narrow at the waist? Just want to point that out. Come down for the legs, up. Marvin Harrison Jr. has skinnier legs. Wide receivers usually are skinny and fast. So we're going to make his thighs a little bit smaller. And then here's his knee coming down. Starts wide and then comes down to a skinny ankle. Starts wide and then comes down to a skinny ankle, almost like the shape of a tornado, you know? It's wide and then it comes down skinny at the bottom. Let's do some shoes. We'll do a bump. We'll do a bump. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 for shoelaces there. We're gonna make the toe come out to the edge of the page. Oversized shoes. We have fun with these drawings, so don't take yourself too seriously. Bring that shoe flat over to the ankle and connect. Bring that heel down. We're going to go flat over to the edge of the page on this side. Bring that toe up and connect to the shoelace. Cool. Let's do a football over here. Start with a point and round it out and stop. Now we'll connect it. Point, round it out, go wide, and then come down to a point. There's our football shape. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers. And then coming out of the shoulder pad is his arm. A bump, and then a line into the back of that football. So his arm's going behind the football. Let's do a bump, and then behind the football there. I'm gonna do a line right here because he's got these like arm bands that are colored in. Fill that in with black marker there. Now over here we're gonna do his big receiving hand. Watch this, we'll do a big thumb. Go up to a finger. The hand's gonna be big because it's coming out toward us. Finger, finger, and then a small pinky. And round it out to the thumb, okay? Coming out of this shoulder pad, we do a bump, and then a bump to the hand. Bump. There we go. So basically his hand is coming out like this at us, like he's getting ready to catch, or maybe do a stiff arm. So now let's do he's got these big long braids or dreads, however you want to call it. Let's do one that comes down on the side. And we'll fill these in with the dark markers in a minute. He's got another one that comes down on this side. They're pretty long, so they're gonna go down below his shoulder. Another one on this side, down to the shoulder area. Maybe another one. Maybe one that pokes out over there. And let's say another one that pokes out right there. Okay. So we've got Marvin Harrison Jr. blocked in. Let's do the number 18. Let's do that. We're gonna get a gray. Let's find a good gray. The lightest gray we can. These are sometimes. All right, I'm gonna use this gray. Find a light gray, and we are going to do the number 18. Straight down, over, down. And if you need to pause on these numbers, press pause or rewind and see how the numbers are done. They're always a little challenging. So the number 18, the top of the 8, angles down, down, in, out, down, angle, straight across, come down, in, out, down, angle. And then we have the square. These are just squares on the inside. One square, square. And I'm just gonna build out this gray. We're gonna leave the inside of these numbers white, okay? So I'm just kind of building out the size of the gray just so it stands out a little bit. Just making it a little bit thicker, not too much. Okay, cool, cool, cool. All right, so now we've pretty much got it blocked in. I'm gonna do a brown football in a minute. Maybe I'll show you how I do my football. I get a dark brown, I get the fat marker edge, and what I do is I just come straight down on the inside of that football, make a line, make another one, straight down, okay? And then I go across, across. And I fill in all this area with the dark brown. So just kind of color it in, leaving that big rectangle area white in the middle, okay? So just fill in this area with your dark brown marker. This is an easy way to do it quickly. Now we have this big rectangle. That doesn't look like a football, so now what do? I get my fat marker and I just make lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There we go. We have a football. Easy. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we are going to color red, this dark cardinal red jersey, flesh color. After it's all colored in, I will come through with my Prismacolor. Prismacolor pencils are like colored pencils, but they're high quality. I take a white and I will draw the word Arizona on top of the red jersey. And I like Prismacolor. They're high quality, they show up well, and you can purchase them. If you want to use the link in our bio or in the description of the video, go for it. If not, go find them on your own, that's fine. But Prismacolors are great for a great choice for a high quality color pencil. So we are going to fast forward. Marvin Harrison Jr., thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Subscribe and let us know what you think. Fast forward now.